Today, here at Mr. B's, Mr. Fix It on the Spot, I'm doing a ball joint repair, removing replacement. And this is what the ball joint looks like. So the outer tie rod bolt right there, we gotta get off. Once we take him off, and all we gotta do is take him off and take these four off, hit this to knock him out. Yeah, so let's get a hammer for that, and let's get the tools to get those out. Once we get the cotter pins out, top and bottom, then we're gonna get the actual nuts. At any rate, so that's part of the cotter pin, and that's the other part right there. You gotta straighten them out, and then once you get them nice and straight, you can kind of tap it and then pull it from the other side. So tap it in, and they're coming out the other side. And that's why I'm using this to, instead of, this is why I use this tool to grab the collar pin and grab the little edge and pry the rest of the way out. Like that. All right. Nice. Give them a couple of times real good. Yeah. So I'm gonna spray it down. I'm gonna get some spray it down, and turn the wheel and get this out of my way. All right, so now I got the wheel turned and I get it sprayed down a little bit, and I can get a good whack at it. Now let's see what happens. Ta-da! Did that do it? Ta-da! So now I gotta get this collar pin out of here. Let's see, and okay. Close your mouth. All right. Now I still gotta turn it. So I'm gonna turn the wheel back the other way. Okay. All right. I like that. Pry it on out. Also, wrong way. Grab like that. Pry it out. Ta-da. Ta-da. Now I gotta poke it out so I can beat him. Now we're gonna turn it to the left, so it can poke back out the other way, so that I can have a good whack at it. Need to shock the system. On out. All down in there. There we go. Once we get these bottom ones off, the whole thing drop. Ta-da. He ain't gonna play with him. Told you he ain't gonna play with him. He ain't gonna play with him. Like, get out of there. Like now. Get. Stop playing. Get. It's time to go. Get. Now. Let's go. Stop playing. Let's go. Y'all. He don't play. But he said let's go, let's go. Like right now. Drop it like it's hot, like right now. You think they match up? Yes, they do. Get him on up there in place. And get one of these bad boys started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Because, yeah, basically, if you don't, you could be in trouble. Because if they start cocked, you screw them up in there cocked, you're going to mess up threads on both ends. Careful with him, he'll break something. Yeah, all right. Now, maybe see if we can just sit him on up in there, like so. Ta-da. Ooh, ah. All right. Sit him on up in there. Ooh. You know what? I'm gonna spray him down right there. I'm gonna rusty dusty. First, we're gonna tap you up in there so you don't start moving once I start hitting this thing. All right, a little more. Let's see here. It should fit for the other side if it's lined up right on this side. Yep. Guess it wasn't too straight, but straight enough to come through. Then I can pull it the rest of the way. Come on. All right. Now, time to bend it. Yeah. Better with the tool. Let's see here. Bend it. Ta-da. In there like swimwear. Oh yeah. Ta-da. All good. So, this job is done. I have to put the wheel on. But this has been another Mr. Fix It on the Spot, Mr. B, fixing him on the spot, doing the ball joint on this Toyota Sequoia. So, yeah, and I'm fixing it on the spot where he broke down at. The tow truck couldn't get him, so Mr. B can get him. All right? So if your car breaks down, know that Mr. B will come, jack you up, and get you right on the spot. 773-744-6307. Give me a call.